In this video, we bring you a West Coast Swing champion breakdown from PJ Turner and Courtney Adair. What's up, gang? Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
From West Coast Swing Online. We are bringing you a West Coast Swing Champions breakdown where we take a high-level Jack and Jill pattern and we break it down in a way that you can do socially. So let's show it to you and then we will break it down. So it's actually going to start from a handshake hold. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. Let's do that from the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's talk about, like we always do, what is the base pattern that we're dealing with. The base pattern of this is a reverse whip with a single outside turn. So that would look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the key for me to lead the reverse whip, I need to lead 1 and then 2 to prep her slightly towards me. So I take this hand slightly away. I rotate this hand through this space to get her to turn around to her left. 3 and 4 onto the right, her right foot, her being Megan. You can be a leader as a guy. Then we're going to walk out of this for 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that'd be the base pattern. But what we need to do differently is we're going to allow Megan to be further ahead on the right foot with an extra prep so she can dance and 5 and 6. Cool? So that's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you look at this from behind, what I've done is, instead of being kind of square to lead this, I've really actually made sure that I've used my body English to prep Megan ahead on count 4 so she can unwind with some speed. Cool? So from this position, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I've given her space to get onto her right foot. Now, she's going to dance and 5 and 6, and 5 and 6, and then we're going to cut around 7 and 8. So what is going on for you, Miss Megan, on count 4? What are you thinking?
Count 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. When I feel this extra prep, I kind of anticipate that it's going to be a bigger spin. Just make sure you keep your feet moving for 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8.
Cool. So timing-wise for Megan's footwork, she's going to get to 4 through basic time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's going to dance and 5 and 6, and 5 and 6 to where you cut around the corner a 7 and 8. So leaders, footwork-wise, I'm going to actually, the way that PJ does it in the video, he's actually dancing very rhythmically to the music. So one of the things we talk about is what's the base pattern, and that's the thing that the advanced champions really do. They respect the base patterns, but then they play within it. So you have to know the rules to break the rules. So we're going to do it like by the rules with the footwork, but PJ does a great job of respecting that while adding some extra footwork. So we're not going to break that part down. We're going to do the most basic version of a very advanced move. So when we get here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I have to dance 5, 6 as I lead her and 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So walk, walk for me before I cut around the corner. So what's going on with my hands is a big key. So we're going to do this both ways so you can kind of see slow-mo, right? We get here, 3 and 4. We're going to do what we call baby steps. So no footwork here. We're just doing baby steps. As I start to unwind Megan, I'm then changing to my right hand and I'm feeding this hand forward onto her right side. Cool? So we do it from this side, right? Oh, I lied. From this side, we get her into count 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Baby step wise, I'm unwinding her, feeding this hand, and I'm continuing to feed it to get her around the corner to finish the rest of the pattern. Cool beans? So that's a big key. Once I've set Megan's spin up by prepping her on count 4, she unleashes and 5 and 6, but I'm going to keep the lead going through my left hand. And by through, I feel like I'm feeding this left hand around. So if you get here, 1, 2, there's my prep, and 5 and 6. I'm feeding that right hand around, and she's going to take her left foot out and around because I'm feeding her forward for triple. Now I've stopped her, right? This is the feed. This is the stop and step. And then in the video, they come out with some sort of a cool move like that. Cool? Let's look at it from the other side. Again, basic footwork for me. It's literally just basic footwork until the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5 and 6, where I feed that hand around. Now I'm sending her forward and back as I cut around, triple step, and then if you want to do the video, that's how they come out. Cool, so there is your champions breakdown. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That's the red button in the bottom right. If you have yet to head to West Coast Swing Online, you can head over there, get a free membership, 25 videos for free. You can even try everything on the site for free for 7 days. We also have a West Coast Swing ebook. You can download that for free in the description below. And here on the channel, we upload 3 videos a week. We've got West Coast Swing videos, we have country dance videos, two-step, nightclub, cha-cha, and the like, as well as, what else am I forgetting?
Frustration Fridays.
Frustration Friday. So every Friday we upload a helpful tip for a frustrating part of West Coast Swing. If you guys have any questions, shoot us a comment below and we will get a video made for you. Thanks for the support, gang, and we'll see you on a dance floor soon.